When you flip a coin, you have a 50% chance of it landing on heads and tails. But have you ever wondered what would happen if you flipped a bunch of coins at once? In this video, I did a 1 penny coin flip, a 10 penny coin flip, an 100 penny coin flip, a 500 penny coin flip, a 800 penny coin flip, and a 1,200 penny coin flip. The results were actually pretty shocking.
Alright, starting with 1 penny. Heads or tails? It is tails. Alright, now we move on to 10 pennies. I'm gonna toss them all at the same time. Alright, 2 landed on the floor. Heads and heads. We actually have an even split. 5 heads, 5 tails. I'm not even kidding. Alright, so now we're going to do a 100 penny coin flip. So 39 landed on heads, 61 landed on tails. Alright, here's 500 pennies now. Gonna dump them all at the same time like last time. It's gonna be pretty cool. So in the end, after a long time counting, it was actually pretty close. Heads had 263, tails had 237. 250 would have been the halfway point because it was a 500 pennies. So that was actually pretty shocking, only 13 off. But this isn't even half of what we're going to be doing later in this video. Coming up, the 1200 penny coin flip, so stay tuned. Alright, so now before the 1200 penny one, we're going to do an 800 penny one. So 300 pennies more than that last one. We'll see how close the 400 each side plays out. So after the 800 penny coin flip, another close one. Tails had 382, heads had 418, only 18 pennies off, which out of 800 is not really a lot. That's actually pretty shocking that it was that close again. I was expecting a lot larger differences than that, but it's the moment you've been waiting for. Stay tuned, coming up, the 1200 penny coin flip. Alright, so here we are. This thing is full of pennies. 1,200 pennies in here. I double checked it. It is exactly that number. I'm about to dump them all on this table. So for the ones that went on the floor, I'm just going to pick them up and put them in the corresponding bucket. So that took a while to count, and I am genuinely surprised. It was very close. 600 would have been the 50-50. Heads had 610, tails had 590. It was 10 away from being half and half. With 1,200 pennies, that's not good odds of having it almost half. So I'm surprised. I hope you liked this video. Check back in next week. I have something really cool planned again. And see you next time. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.